Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Kenny Wallace Show. I know exactly what you're thinking. Herman, what in the world? Where are you at? Well, you know what? We thought we'd give you something a little bit different, something that everybody does. My wife's 2013 Chevrolet Suburban come in to Al's Auto Service here in Kirkwood, Missouri, and just for a simple oil change. All of a sudden, we're underneath, we're looking. Joe Rudy, my dear friend, race car driver. This place is one of the best automotive services in Missouri. His automotive skills are incredible. So let's go over to Joe. We do have a little bit of drama, but Joe's got a saying. I'm going to let him tell you what it is. Joe, you always tell me no drama. So what is the saying?
Don't get nervous. Call Al Service.
So what do we got wrong, Joe?
The radiator's leaking.
We got a leak in the radiator. Well, you know,
The side tank.
I would be very nervous myself because I'd be going, how the hell you take all this stuff apart? Where did you learn all your skills? Because he starts bam, 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 bam.
Just a family business. Just learn from them.
So this toolbox, check this toolbox out. This is unbelievable. How do you know the radiator's busted?
Well, we put some pressure on it.
Put the pressure right
on
there.
it. Yeah, with the
You got to have all
pump.
these tools.
You gotta pump it up. Put the pressure in the tank.
Right
It's
there.
leaking over there.
And then you got a pressure.
Yeah, a little pressure gauge.
I mean, you know, years
Broke around here, we fix it.
Yeah, so years ago, everybody just changed their own oil. And I said, man, sometimes I can't even get to the oil filters in some of these cars. How much money do you think people like yourself and other automotive repairs, let's say in the last 20 years, just to figure out, you always got to buy new tools.
Oh, God. This is here. These are the caps to fit the radiators.
These are all different cars.
They're all different cars, right?
Right. And the toolbox is not real big just because
It's full.
It's full because you got to have it.
You gotta have it. If you don't have it, you can't fix it.
Look at these tools. I mean, look at this. And you don't mess around.
No, we try not to.
Show us the other part of your shop. You do it all?
We do it all. There's the front bay.
Oh,
Oh, right there.
I love it. But I know the legends over here. Oh, looky there. So he's a dear friend of mine, but you're very successful. You work quick, you know what you're doing. How do you get this stuff out of here so fast?
Well, you got to be organized. You got to have a good team. We got to have Jackie up front.
Let's go. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Who's Jackie?
She's the office help.
She's
the best.
You got to have somebody build people.
Yeah.
Let's go see Jackie.
Let's go see Jackie.
All right. Let's go see Jackie. Oh, hello. The big thing, inspections. Everybody,
Oh, yeah.
that changed.
Oh, yeah.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Jack, we're doing a YouTube special. Who's this doggy here? So Jackie, your job is to order the parts and bill everybody.
Yes.
So we can have money to go racing.
Remington. Yes, we gotta do that.
Buddy.
This is Remington. He
Remington.
sounds terrifying, but he's a sweet boy.
Is he a racetrack dog too?
Every time.
He goes to races? Whoa, looky here. I love it. See? This is what it's all about.
You got the old man upside down there. Too.
Who's this? Let me see. Oh, that's Schrader at Talladega. So this is typical short track racing. Locals, man makes a good living, has a lot of help from his girlfriend Jackie. They're a great team, and you take your money that you make, you put some away, but you go racing.
Oh, we go racing.
You go racing. You even grill food at the racetrack.
Oh, we grill, drink, we have a good time.
All right, well, Joe, hold on, let's go out here. I want everybody to see we're in Kirkwood, Missouri, and I thought, well, hell, let's do a YouTube. Look here. Hey, well, look at this. Who did that? That's Gold Leaf.
Phil Jarvis.
Who?
Phil Jarvis.
Phil Jarvis. All right. Now, listen, I don't want you to start crying on me, but hold on. People say, how you start a business. So your story, Tell me about, you're not Al.
No.
Okay, you're not Al, but tell me about Al.
Well, Al was, so my boss was Robert.
Your boss was Robert?
Robert Lee Trobe.
Look at this.
And his dad was Al. And he started in 1952, and I went to school and I worked for Bob, and he was like a dad I didn't have.
I love this. And this, how old is this building? How old's this building, you think?
The addition was put on in 88, I think, 88.
Yeah, let me get a good look at it. You can stay right there, Joe. So there's a lot of pictures of, so the original part, is it the front or the back?
The front. It's
The front.
corner.
And then you added on right there?
That seam there where the stripe stops.
Did you add on or did
No,
Al?
Bob did.
Bob did, that's right.
Bob got her done.
Okay, so because I'm attention deficit disorder, Bob was the original owner? Al. And he
And
sold
his-
it to Bob?
And Bob was his son.
Bob was, God, can't help
Got it.
myself.
You got it.
All right, well, how many race cars we got?
We got 3 now.
Hold on, take a walk with me. All right, I just want to show you all. Look here, the legendary shipping crates. Got a lot of racing stuff in there. Hold on. Don't let it fool you. This is a race place too. We got the race car over here. Joe does a lot of work for me. He's a great mechanic. So we got the race car in here. Let's go in. Yeah, then we come in the back of the shop, and here's a race car. and oh yeah, we're still going. And then racing motors.
We got it all.
We got motors over here. Let's see. Racing motors over there. Okay. So what I got to tell you is, I don't even know this man, but he goes, we ought to make a YouTube special out. Are you wanted by the police? Are you wanted by the police?
I'm the producer of this. I was trying to stay on the other side of the camera.
Yeah, but this guy's awesome. He goes, because we're all like 1, 2,
We had an audience
3. Yeah, there's like 4 of us watching Al's Auto Service.
It's a union job.
Yeah, it's a you. I like you. You're good. He's good content.
It's like union work. Four guys are standing around, one guy's doing the work, and everyone's criticizing him. Everyone's telling him how to do it.
Right. Okay, so we made it around the back of the building. Check this out. So I love this. Okay, now this
She's packed tight right now.
yeah, but you're a real racer, you know. So, you know, I know you guys work for a living. It's like, how much money? Okay, so you work for a living, right? But how much money do you spend on your race car? That's not to be talked about. We don't add that up, but
I got a lot of good people helping me.
yeah. Well, look
Couldn't
here.
do it without them.
Yep. And here's his
There's number 2.
There's number 2. Got it all. I like how you got this. I mean, you're organized. And look, it's plugged in. Trailer's plugged in. Now, do you come in here when you want to be by yourself?
Sometimes. A little cold though.
Hold on, I gotta show you my favorite place here. Hold on.
Okay.
All right, come here. We got this is my favorite place here. There's my radiator. Hey, we need to see what happened there, but there's my radiator. Hold on, there's the radiator. Got a crack right in here. Got a crack right in there. All right, that happens. But here, I want to see the legendary chair. We went past this room.
There's the legendary chair.
I like this room. This is where you change into your clothes.
Clothes, yeah. This is like the back work area.
Yeah, got some batteries in there.
The one thing I haven't changed is this room.
I love it. So hold on.
I've done a lot of updates and upgrades, and this is the one thing that this is the same, except for the chair.
You've never changed the original. Look at the old wood.
Yeah.
I love it. All right, Austin. What are you doing?
I'm putting a nice pink marker on these pins. That way the line doesn't bust off, and you can check with a flashlight and a mirror. You can check to see if the line's on there properly.
Oh, so you know the line goes all the way in.
Yeah.
Okay, so this lets you know the line is all the way in. Some techniques. I know you're a mechanic and you know it all, but come on now. So when you order, I just hear you just order that part and here it is in 30 minutes.
Yep.
All right. Well, Kim's gonna be happy. What do we got? How many miles on this piece?
165.
165. All right, she's going in. Looking good. I wouldn't even attempt this. So, Joe, have you taught him a lot, or did he come in ready to go?
Well, he went to State Tech
Oh, went to
in
Tech.
Lynn, Missouri.
Missouri? You went to Missouri?
Yep. Lynn Tech. Lynn Tech is what it used to be called.
I'll be darned. All right, let's go over this pink marker one more time. All right, show me this stuff.
This is a Jiffy type connector.
Jiffy type connector.
Yeah, right here. It's got 3 tabs.
Okay, so you just don't put...
And they lock on the back. And a lot of people push them in, and then they think they get them in, and then the line will blow out when you go down the road. So I always like tell them, put some paint on it, make sure that line gets in all the way.
Right, so this ain't a deal where you just hook something up.
Yeah, I don't want you calling me saying Kim's upset because she's on the side of the road.
Yeah, and you know, that's what we were talking about. I would venture to say you've got over $100,000 in tools, or is that a weak figure?
Yeah, I don't know. I never sat and added up, but
well, you know what our hero Kenny Schrader says: don't ever add up how much money you're spending in racing. It'll really disappoint you. You just know that you got to have this stuff.
you gotta have it.
You got to have it. I mean, you're repairing everything: big trucks, small trucks.
Race cars.
Race cars.
Yep, he repairs race cars.
We use them up.
Yeah, race cars over there. I think it's cool. I think it's cool that you got a spot for the race car.
Yeah, you got to. Reminds you of why you work hard.
Right. You work hard so you can play hard.
Yep. That's what we do.
Okay, so everybody has different techniques. I really like this one.
Yeah, I just like the paint. Then he can look down there in the mirror.
So
See
if
the
we,
3 tabs.
So if we see the paint and we do, that means okay. Now
She's locked in. She ain't gonna blow out.
She's locked in, and that's a little technique that you dreamed up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everybody's got their quirks, techniques.
We don't like them coming in on a tow truck.
Oh, say that
We
again.
don't like them coming in on a tow truck after we worked on it.
That's right.
Fix it right the first time.
Don't get nervous.
Call Al Service.
We never did talk about.
That's just the
What-
one style. These
Okay.
been around for a while, but it's just.
Okay, so this is how you take the line off,
You release it. You just put the tool in, turn it.
and it pulls it out.
Yeah, it turns the thing out. Release the tab, and
But
then
don't
pull
take
the line
it
out.
off, you already
We ain't
got
take
it
it off,
on.
yeah.
Yeah.
But
And so, what is that? Half moon shape? How'd you get that?
yeah, it's got 3 little.
Let me see
tabs.
that. Oh, but it comes apart.
Yeah, so go around the line.
Oh yeah. There, let me see that again, real quick. Let me see that again. Make it come apart. Yeah. Okay.
And then they got
Yeah. And you got different sizes.
different sizes.
Yeah, very cool. All right, then. All right, we coming down to the end here. Austin's about got it done. Austin, what are we doing, buddy?
I'm taking the air out of the system.
All right, buddy. I get it. Just that simple. You don't want no airlock.
No.
All right. Getting the air out of the system so the cooling goes through good, and another tool. Like we said, another tool. Now it's time to put the antifreeze in, and of course, you just don't dump it in like you do a race car.
Suck it in.
So it's sucking it in? Mm-hmm. Now remember, this is the part where I know you're a mechanic and you already know all this, but we're just we're having fun watching, right? I'm a smart ass every once in a while. Trouble. Whoa, good catch, buddy. So it's filling up with antifreeze. Hell yeah, baby. Thank you so much. Austin, good job, brother. All right, then. Joe, I'm looking for you. Stay right there. Thank you, buddy. All right.